Hi friends, here is a nice problem. We are given this function secant of log of x plus under root 1 plus x square. Now whether this function is even or odd function, constant function, none of this. Okay. So firstly we know secant function. Secant is inverse of cos and we know cos is even function. Right. Cos is even function. Cos looks like this. Cos is even unlike sine. Sine is odd function. Sine is odd function. Cos is even function. We know this. What does that mean? Cos of minus x is equal to cos of x. Right? We know this. Even function means f of minus x is equal to f of x. Basically, what does that mean? The function is symmetric with respect to y-axis. Minus x, whatever is the value, plus x, same value we'll have always. For example, y equal to x square. Okay? Minus 2 it is 4, plus 2 also it is 4, minus 3 it is 9, plus 3 also it is 9, something like this. So that is an even function. We know secant is even function. Okay, secant is just like cos is even function, secant also will look something like this. So secant is in even function. Now what about log of x plus 1 plus x square? Okay, x plus log of x plus 1 plus x square. Okay, so let us try log of this is f of x, let's say, or in fact, let's call it g of x. Okay, let's call it g of x equal to this one. What about g of minus x? G of minus x will be log of minus x plus again 1 plus minus x whole square, which is again equal to 1 plus x square only. Okay, so now if you see this and this are slightly related. How they are related? So if you see root of 1 plus x square plus x and root of 1 plus x square minus x. If you multiply this, what will you get? A plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. 1 plus x square minus x square, right? Which is equal to 1. What does that mean? Root of 1 plus x square plus x is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x square minus x. Right. Whenever we see this term, we should immediately recollect this. Okay. What does that mean? Log of minus x plus 1 plus x square. If this is 1 by this is obviously equal to 1 by this. This is nothing but log of 1 by x plus under root 1 plus x square. Okay. Which is nothing but log of x plus under root 1 plus x square whole power minus 1. This is nothing but minus of log of this thing, which is nothing but minus of g of x. Right, g of minus x is equal to minus g of x. What does that mean? This entire function is odd. Okay, log of this thing is odd. This thing is even. Okay, secant function is even. Now let us take these cases. F of g of x versus f of g of minus x. F of g of minus x. G of minus x is minus g of x. F of minus g of x, because g of x is odd function. G of minus x is minus of f of minus of g of x. Right. Now f of x, whatever is inside is even function. F is even function. What does that mean? F of minus g of x should be equal to f of plus g of x. Okay, that is this. So essentially, what does that mean? F of g of minus x is equal to f of g of plus x. Right, essentially. We started with minus x. The first one, the inside one is odd. So that's why the minus came out. But the outside one is even. So this minus will get cancelled. So essentially, we are left with an even function. The net is even. So basically, this function f of x is actually even. Secant is even, inside one is odd. So net, the overall function is even. Right, guys? Little trick here is to recognize this x plus under root 1 plus x square. This is nothing but 1 by minus of minus x plus under root 1 plus x square. Right, guys? So understanding that this is an odd function is very important in this case. Thank you.